Hey guys, Mike Taylor, broker owner, Red Door Property Management. Today we're bringing you the rental market report for July of 2023 for Indianapolis. It is July, so we are on the tail end of the peak of the leasing season. And if you recall, last month we had this crazy off the chart days on the market. I think it was above 120 days on the market. So yikes, over 3 months on the market. We are in the peak of the leasing season. Let's find out if the days on the market went down or if it continues its downward spiral.
Okay guys, let's take a look at the Indianapolis market report, rental data for July 2023. If we look at active homes, we're at 1944. That's actually slightly down from last month, so that's a good sign, kind of at the peak of the leasing season, so that's a good thing. And then the big news, of course, last month, if you watched last month's report, we had a out of control days on the market, 120 plus days on the market. So thankfully we can report that has come down. It is still high. 82 days on the market is still extremely high. That's obviously over 2 months on the market, which is a lot, especially as compared to other submarkets like the Westfield, Fishers, Noblesville. All those other areas are seeing much healthier average days on the market. So this is still concerningly high, thankfully off from the peak where we saw it last month. So I don't know if that was a bit of an anomaly. It looks like it was. It's not necessarily consistent with the rest of the year, but it is high still, even at the 82. It's still high. Jumping over to average rent, we're at $1,400 per month for average rent for an Indianapolis home. That is down over last year and up just ever so slightly. I think it's literally $5 since last month. Indy's actually the only market that we've been reporting on that has a consistent trend of being below last year's numbers. So take a look at our other market reports: Fishers, Noblesville, Westfield, and we did Greenwood this month. Take a look at those and you can see a little bit of a different picture here and when it comes to this trend line. And then if we look at average sales price, again, this is always I think a highlight of Indy is the affordability. So the average home sales for, and again, this is for homes under 500,000 because we're trying to kind of target in on that investor point of view. You know, most investors aren't going to invest over $500,000 in a home. So there's probably even more here, even lower if you're actually looking for an investment home. But anyway, the average for all homes under 500,000, average of 244,303, super affordable. And there's a lot of those around. There's 983 homes that sold just last month under 500,000 with that average price point. In terms of how that is tracking, so that's actually up just a teeny bit over year and up just ever so slightly again month over month. So that's the Indianapolis market report for July of 2023. We'll keep an eye on it and see what happens next month.